Sciatica is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by pain that radiates along the sciatic nerve, which runs from the lower back through the hips, buttocks, and down each leg. This pain can range from mild discomfort to debilitating agony, often accompanied by tingling, numbness, or muscle weakness in the affected leg. The challenges faced by individuals with sciatica go beyond the physical pain. Everyday activities such as sitting, standing, walking, or even lying down can become difficult. Tasks that were once routine may now seem insurmountable, leading to frustration and a diminished quality of life. Incorporating specific exercises into your daily routine can be transformative for managing sciatica. Below are some simple yet effective exercises that target the underlying causes of sciatica pain. Piriformis stretch. How it works. The piriformis muscle, located in the buttocks, can sometimes irritate the sciatic nerve. Stretching this muscle can relieve tension and reduce pain. Instructions. Lie on your back with both knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Cross the affected leg over the opposite thigh, creating a figure 4 shape. Gently pull the bottom leg toward your chest until you feel a stretch in your buttock. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side if necessary. Benefits. Relieves tension in the piriformis muscle, reducing pressure on the sciatic nerve. Knee to chest stretch. How it works. This stretch helps lengthen the lower back and relieve compression on the sciatic nerve. Instructions. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Bring one knee toward your chest, holding it with both hands. Keep the opposite leg straight and your lower back pressed into the floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. Benefits. Improves flexibility in the lower back and reduces nerve irritation. Cat-cow stretch. How it works. This dynamic yoga pose mobilizes the spine, alleviating stiffness and improving circulation to the lower back. Instructions. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin and pelvis, cat pose. Repeat for 8 to 10 breaths. Benefits. Enhances spinal flexibility and reduces lower back tension. Seated spinal twist. How it works. Twisting motions can help relieve tension in the lower back and hips. Instructions. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Bend one knee and place the foot outside the opposite thigh. Place your opposite elbow outside the bent knee and twist your torso toward the bent knee. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. Benefits. Releases tension in the lower back and hips, promoting better spinal alignment. Child's pose. How it works. This gentle yoga pose stretches the lower back and hips, providing relief from sciatic nerve pain. Instructions. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Extend your arms forward and lower your chest toward the ground. Rest your forehead on the floor and hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Benefits. Calms the nervous system while stretching the lower back and hips. The McKenzie press-up is often regarded as one of the most effective exercises for sciatica relief. This movement helps extend the spine, reducing pressure on the sciatic nerve. Instructions. Lie face down on the floor with your hands under your shoulders. Push through your palms to lift your upper body while keeping your hips and legs on the floor. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly lower yourself back down. Repeat 8 to 10 times, gradually increasing the hold time as your flexibility improves. Tips for optimal execution. Keep your neck relaxed and avoid overextending. If you feel discomfort in your lower back, reduce the range of motion. Benefits. This exercise is particularly effective in reducing nerve compression and promoting spinal health. Sciatica can significantly impact your quality of life, but incorporating simple exercises into your routine can offer relief and restore mobility. From the piriformis stretch to the McKenzie press-up, each exercise targets specific areas to reduce pain and improve flexibility. By dedicating a few minutes each day to these movements, you can take control of your sciatica symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Have you tried these exercises for sciatica relief? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to explore our other videos on back pain and wellness for more tips to help you feel your best. Let's heal together.